How to combine macronutrients for perfect balance. Achieving the perfect balance of macronutrients is essential for maintaining optimal health. The right combination of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates fuels the body, enhances performance, and supports overall well-being. Understanding how to balance these macronutrients can make a significant difference in your energy levels and long-term health. 1. The role of macronutrients. Proteins are crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and enzyme production. Carbohydrates provide energy, especially for high-intensity workouts and endurance. Fats support brain health, hormonal balance, and provide long-lasting energy. 2. Optimal macronutrient ratios. The ideal ratio varies depending on individual needs, but a general guideline includes 40% carbohydrates, focus on whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. 30% proteins, lean meats, eggs, and plant-based options are key. 30% fats, include healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Adjusting these ratios may be necessary based on specific goals such as weight loss or muscle gain. 3. Timing your macronutrient intake. Strategic timing can enhance performance and recovery. Pre-workout. A mix of complex carbs and protein fuels your workout. Post-workout, carbs and protein aid in muscle recovery and replenish energy stores. Throughout the day, balanced meals maintain stable energy and prevent crashes. 4. Balancing for different goals. For weight loss, a higher protein intake helps maintain muscle mass while burning fat. For muscle gain, increase carbohydrate intake to fuel intense workouts and support recovery. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Overemphasis on one macronutrient. A balanced intake of all three is necessary for long-term health. Ignoring micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are also vital for overall wellness and should not be neglected. 6. Personalizing your macronutrient ratio. To find the ideal balance for your specific needs, consider your lifestyle, activity level, and health goals. A registered dietitian or nutritionist can help customize your macronutrient ratio for optimal results. Regular adjustments ensure that you stay on track to meet your objectives. Mastering how to combine macronutrients for perfect balance is key to optimizing health and performance. By understanding each macronutrient's role, timing your intake, and adjusting based on your goals, you can achieve a balanced and sustainable approach to nutrition. Prioritize variety and quality in your food choices to ensure lasting health and vitality. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.